All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yep, this cryptocurrency is down slightly in the last 7 days, down about 10%. Could be a good discount buy or buying the dip. Also, there's massive whales still trading this coin. That's a super thing. Massive whales are trading this coin all the time. Dogelon Mars' latest design appears in New York Square, Times Square, so we're going to talk about that. Our government has a massive stockpile of Bitcoin that they're sitting on and stuff, so we're going to talk about the government sitting on a massive pile of Bitcoin. So they aggressively have a pile of Bitcoin. What's going on with that? Also, it being Monday today, we know what Tom Brady's been doing. He's been doing a trade. He was on last night, so Sunday and Monday, he's pumping the cryptocurrency. He's doing a trade, or he's getting into something. We're going to talk about Tom a little bit. All kinds of good stuff on this show today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you guessed it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. Right here at CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars is the 124th cryptocurrency on the planet. It's down 10% in the last 7 days, and it's down about 1%, 1.19 in the last 24 hours. If you click the coin here in CoinMarketCap over to the right, again, we're down about 1%. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 105. So 5 zeros and 105 is the price that it's at right this second. What does it look like in the last 7 days? So it looks like the coin has went down a little bit, then it's went back up a little bit. Then right now it's actually in a little downward spiral. How's the holders in Dogelon Mars right now? Clicking holders, clicking 3 months. All right, in September there were 72,000 people, September 27th, holding Dogelon, 72,000. Today in September, we got 118,000. So is that 72, 28, and 18, 42, 42. So that's over 50%. So in the last 90 days, Dogelon Mars, holders of the coin, has actually went up over 50%. Fantastic. So over here, basically at the Twitter account, it said Sink City, extremely hyped to welcome Dogelon Mars community to the Mafia Metaverse. Do you have the biggest gang in crypto? Join the 85,000 in the Sink. The top 10 gangs will get this. Will get a prize of the mysterious, valuable gift. So take a look. Dogelon Mars right here. That's right. Dogelon joined Sink City. I thought this was big too. Breaking news, Zook Yo is delighted to announce that Dogelon Mars passed all the comprehensive security audits with no critical issues. All smart contracts withstood extensive scrutiny, passed our rigorous security assets. So yep, that's right, Dogelon Mars has passed the security audit. So fantastic news right there. So we got all kinds of good stuff going on with Dogelon Mars. So our government actually has some Bitcoin that they seized and they're sitting on it. Let's figure out what's going on with the government because they do have some Bitcoin. What are they doing with it? Right here, it says the U.S. government has a massive secret stockpile of Bitcoin. Here's what happened to it. The U.S. government regularly holds auctions for stockpiles of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies. The auction kicked off in a big way in 2013 once the takedown of the Silk Road, a dark web marketplace that traded illegal goods. You know, it could be 10 boats, 12 cars, and a lot of, Bitcoins being auctioned. So right here, you got the Bitcoin. Government seizes it. For years, the U.S. government has maintained a side hustle auctioning off Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Historically, your Uncle Sam has done a pretty lousy job of timing the market. So right here, it says the 500 Bitcoins that sold in 2018 for about $5 million is now worth about $23 million. Or right here, 30,000 Bitcoins that went to a billionaire venture capitalist for $19 million in 2014, and now today that $19 million is worth, you take a look, $1.3 billion today. So the government has attained all the Bitcoin by seizing it, along with the usual assets that one would expect on high-profile crime sting operations to get sold off in the similar fashion. It could be boats, it could be cars, it could be cryptocurrency. And right there you got the FBI with the evidence response team. They're checking out stuff. Seizing the stockpile of Bitcoin. Alright, so give us your thoughts there. Uncle Sam's got seasoned some Bitcoin. They've been auctioning it since 2014 with boats, with cars, with Bitcoin and Ethereums. All kinds of great stuff here going on in Frank's Crypto Corner. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends so we can help everybody learn about some cryptocurrency. Well, Tom Brady on Sunday and Monday, he tells people what he's getting into. Sometimes he's telling them he's getting into something. Sometimes he's doing the trade. Today, it's a trade. Let's go ahead and check this out.
One more?
Hang on. There's a possibility of a trade.
Tom Brady wants a trade. Could he be coming home?
What did I say?
Oh my God, Brady!
Yeah, trade. We're telling everyone.
I heard she wants to be in LA.
$2, go. I'm hearing Denver.
I give you the new City Hall. Take that, Tampa.
A trade? Are you sure?
Not a trade. I'm trading crypto. FTX is the safest and easiest way to buy and sell crypto. It's the best way to get in the game.
He's trading crypto.
Oh.
Hey, y'all. It's not coming. Not coming.
So give us your thoughts, Tom Brady. On Sunday and Monday, he talks to people on the TV set, and he tells them he's getting into stuff, and it always ends up being cryptocurrency. And now he's got this new commercial out that he's doing a trade. Denver's getting excited. Tampa Bay thinks he's leaving. New England, they're digging up jerseys. All kinds of good stuff. And then he looks at his friend and goes, oh, no, not that type of trade. A crypto trade. He's trading cryptocurrency. So, hey, Tom, we appreciate you telling everybody about cryptocurrency. Hey, the Staples Center over there in LA at the end of the year is going to be called crypto.com, and that's going to happen for the next 10 years. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogelon Mars for a price prediction. All right, over here, Dogelon Mars Weekly Roundup. Hey, Martians, and welcome to the fourth issue of Dogelon's Weekly Roundup. This week, Mr. Dogelon made it in Times Square, where Whale's wallet and Deep Driven has been ridden by the coin market cap. Well, take a look right here. Dogelon Mars' latest design appears in New York City. This week's community members spotted Mr. Dogelon Mars glowing front and center in Times Square. Take a look. There he is. Yeah, looking pretty handsome too. He's got a QR code. It says $ and Elon. The bright lights on Broadway showcase beloved Dogelon as expected on the newly designed website. Our fantastic community loves to see the handsome face everywhere, and we are thrilled to see him take over the Big Apple, as well as Earth and the Milky Way in the near future. You know, over here we talked about this other day, CoinMarketCap does a deep dive of Dogelon Mars. You want to check that out. But here's the one I like right here. Dogelon Mars, Elon flips Uniswap. With many Ethereum whales trading Elon lately, Dogelon Mars this week became the most traded token among the 1,000 largest whales on Ethereum. This week, Elon flipped Una. All right. Look at that. So again, back over here at CoinMarketCap, what is our price prediction? Well, there's 5 zeros right there. I think there's going to be 5 zeros. Instead of it being 1048, it's going to go to 5000. I think that's going to be maybe about a 3 or 4x by the end of the first quarter. We got whales buying this token. We got it showing up in New York City front and center. Listen, this token's not going to the moon. It's going past the moon into Mars. Now again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Checking out Dogelon's website real quick. It's just maybe a minute of this. Dogelon Mars. Right here, you can go to crypto.com to buy it, Uniswap to buy it, KuCoins to buy it, OKEX to buy it. It says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and together we will reach the stars. It wants you to join the community. You can join the Twitter account, Telegram account. You got all kinds of good stuff going on over here with Dogelon. It's ranked 125th. It's got a market cap of 576.08 mil and the volume of 13.10 mil. Quick Guy talks about the MetaMask account. All right, everybody, Dogelon Mars, one of our favorite tokens. What are your thoughts? Do you own some? Are you going to get some? You can go to basically right on the website, hook up your MetaMask account. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you videos every single day at noon. Bonus videos around 7 o'clock Monday through Fridays, and on the weekends around 3 or 4 o'clock. Hey everybody, today's Monday. Have a fantastic day.